What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'm going to be starting the conversion or picking up the conversion of my interior to black. So in the past I had started spraying the interior with a black spray paint. As you can see, I did the top half for the door. I also did these interior pieces and it's now starting to come off. So what I went ahead and I did is I picked this up from a company called autoletterdye.com, and this is their BMW 28, the jet black. So my first order of business is to start cleaning the area that I want to dye black. So I got some isopropyl alcohol, 70%. Get me a focus here, come on. Yeah, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to basically use it to clean the door that I want to start dyeing. So I'm going to clean this area, I'm going to clean here, and basically give it a shot, try to dye the door. I had spray painted here sometime in the past, so shouldn't be that difficult to go over this area again. So you want to clean the entire door. I forgot to start videoing, so I put a little bit on here and I'm just doing like light quotes. And what they're saying is you can use a hair dryer or a heat gun to basically speed up the drying process. Alright, so this is what I put on. So I'm just gonna put it on the door. And from videos that I've watched on YouTube, I see people do like 4 or 5 quotes before it actually starts changing color. So it's just gonna be a long process. So I'm gonna pause the video right here and come back when I've done like maybe 3 quotes, just to show you what it looks like. But just remember that this is quote 1. All right. So I got a cup, paintbrush, and I threw some of the dye in here, and so I could just basically paint it. And this is about 1 coat on here. So it's currently drying, but I'm going to use the hair dryer, my heat gun, to basically speed the drying process up. I haven't touched up areas yet because this will only need about 1 coat, so I'm not gonna be touching up here. Down here is the biggest part that I'm dealing with. I tried doing the grill, but I think the grill's gonna need some spray painting, so it's gonna look like that for now. So this is what the second coat looks like. It's looking really good. Next up, I'm gonna get the hair dryer. I keep saying hair dryer. I'm gonna get my heat gun and basically dry it again. I'm gonna do a 3rd coat, but I like the outcome so far. I see I missed around there, under there. I'm gonna get into those parts soon, but it's looking good so far, guys. Alright, so this is coat number 3. I'm about to get the heat gun and start with drying it off again. And it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna hurry up and get this done. Now let's show you what the final product looks like on the inside now that I've converted the doors to black. Let's take you on the inside here. Boom, this is what it looks like, guys. I apologize for the glare in the sun. And I'm going to be changing this out, so don't pay this any mind. Still got right here to do at the bottom here, but that's gonna be for a different video, I think. Going around to the driver's side, and there's some things I want to touch on real quick too. So a few things I want to talk about real quick. Inside here. So when I started doing the dye inside here, it was peeling off very easily. So what I did, I spray painted inside here. And for the grill, the same thing. I also had to spray paint the grill as well because the dye wasn't sticking, of course. So I spray painted the grill here. And then I also spray painted inside here. Once it was dry, I went over it with the dye in here as well, and I really love how it came out. Same thing for the back. Full door conversion, guys. Try to get the sun out the way, man. There we go. It's beautiful. I love it. Show you this door again. This is what it looks like. Awesome. And what I also used, I used a covering. Is it a covering? More like a top coat, basically. So I did a top coat on top of the dye when it's all nice and dry, and that helps to protect it. What that does is it basically protects the dye from scrapes and stuff like that, you know, little abrasions and stuff like that. And it formed a satin finish. That's why you see I had that glass on it. So if you guys don't like the glass that you see in the video or maybe in the thumbnail, what I suggest is that you put a little water in it, like I want to say, I can't even give you a measurement, but I want to say you dilute it a little bit to get rid of that satin finish and make it more matte, because mine is satin with a little bit of glass and I like it. It always looks like I just cleaned it. So, you know, it looks good and I love it. Boy, check that fitment out. Damn. Woof. Can't put a credit card in there. Shit. Anywho, it's not why you're here. So my next step that I'm gonna be doing, guys, I am going to be doing the door piece. I want to say the trim pieces. I'm gonna be dyeing those black as well. I'm considering spraying them black again, which I did in the past. Spraying them black, allowing them to dry for a couple of days, and I'm gonna do the dye, or I just go over it. But either way, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I did, because that's what this channel is about. It's trying to give you the best DIY solutions as best as possible. Next things that I have coming up for the channel is I plan on doing some interior lights, some what do they call it, the fiber optic LED lights, or the fiber optic lights, little tiny strips that runs like in the newer model cars. So that's one of the things that I want to be doing, or that I'm going to be doing for the car as well. I'm going to show you guys exactly where I run it, the brand they're using, stuff like that. And guys, everything that I talk about in this video is going to be in the description down below, along with the like button, the subscribe, and the share button.